We just got off the funicular, and someone's posing. You better take it quick because I'm going to get in your picture. Anyway, and that's Bergen down below. You see the ship down there? Let's walk down here. So there's the funicular comes in. Here. These must be colored lights at night. Oh, it's a heart. Maybe they're red lights. Hey, another funicular. Just arrived. Train. Of course, we plan on walking down. Doesn't look like it's that far, does it? Excuse me?
멋져.
무시야. People take so long to take one picture.
무시야.
Take it. Take it already.
In any case, to go to, if you want to go to Leh Ladakh also, you have to.
Angelehnt an ein Piano angestellt.
So you.
There's Janet. Bee boxes. See how the bees flying around them? Probably not. But I do. They're pollinating something. Anyway, this is Mount Fløyen. Probably pronouncing that wrong. That's how it's spelled. We're up in kind of a forest now. You can see it's rocky. I mean, we're on rock. We had to go through tunnels to get up here. I didn't put that in this video, but I put it in my Bergen video. So. Trash cans. See? Fløyen. You can see the overlook over there. We've walked down a bit. These buildings are goat barns, and that's a goat. Now, somebody has shot it and it's died right there. And it's pretty sad because he's staring at me like, why? Okay, it's not dead. I speak American goat. He speaks Norwegian goat. There's another goat barn right there. So there's a sign that said watch out for the goats. And I guess they were warning that they just lay down there. So we got the Cramo here. And I think the Cramo maybe are residential units or something. I don't know. Free bathrooms right here. So they're behind the restaurant. And a playground. So let's go play. Did you bring your own bicycle? I didn't either. Oh, look at all that. So I guess this is two playgrounds, but one big one. Go through the trees. Pose on the stump. That looks like a sauna, doesn't it? It's locked. You see inside there? Anyway, so that's Mount Fløyen. Now we're going to walk down. We've been coming down since the top, about half a mile. This rock is crying. And he's going to hawk a loogie. But this creek's been following us. Of course, we cut back and forth across it. Little bitty waterfalls. Deep, dense forest. And a paved road. I wonder what happens when two cars meet. Or maybe cars come up and then cars go down and they don't have back and forth. You all come at once and you all leave at once. Anyway, I do want you to look at these flowers. I've seen a lot of these along the way. And these purple ones. And the bees. Remember there were bee boxes up on top. So, I guess they bring them to this. Another bench. I've seen a couple of those now. And where people have made trails. I guess that's going up that way. I'm going to choose the paved road today. Even though I wore my boots. Another bench. You see the city out there? Oh, I see a road down there. I guess we're going to be on that in just a moment. The forest is too dense to see anything. See the ship. By the time we clear these trees, I won't see it. I hear construction going on down there. Of course, we came from up there. Now we're down here. I hear commotion. See the city. Somebody running. And leave him behind. Oh, he probably took a shortcut. See, here's another shortcut. You notice nobody took this one. There's a guy coming up. Nice leisurely stroll. So we're about halfway down now. Just wanted to get an overlook of the ship there. This trail that runs, I don't know how far, runs into the forest there. I guess we're the only cruise ship in port today. Hey, look, it's Janet. She says, look at these flowers. And I say, look at these flowers. And she says, let's go.